Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to another banging video. Today we are going to be playing Among Us. Well, Imposter. It's Roblox version of Among Us. So, I just want to change my colour. Change it to grey. No, I'll keep it at purple actually. But yeah. Okay, so we are innocents. Complete all your tasks and vote off imposters. Right. Well, okay, task. So the little exclamation points show us where our task is. So we're going to walk to a task. Looks like we have a task in here. And they've just updated it and it's such a good thing. Like, I actually love it. I love the update. So we're just gonna fix the wires. Hopefully we're not getting killed. Oh, that's a little bit sus. Okay, so black and pink are together, so if one of them dies, it's that colour. Oh, they're following me. Right, okay. So now we're going to go do another task. Oh, brown. Right, I am a bit paranoid. This is where I get paranoia from. So we're going to go and do another task. Oh my god, my thing just stopped working for a minute. Ah, the heck? That's never come up before. Right, so now we're going to do wires. Cannot see, or whatever this is. Okay, so that was replace fuses. Okay, like if we keep going like this, the imposters, the crewmates are gonna win. So I'm just gonna go for a second and do a few more tasks off camera. Okay, so we've just done another task. I just decided to start recording because White was standing at vitals just being really sus. And if I did die, I wanted to get it on camera. But it looks like we've got another task here. So we're going to do that. We've only got 2 more tasks left. If we keep going like this, we're going to win. And crewmates for the win, guys. We got this. Comment down below if you think I'm going to get killed. So I checked vitals and everyone was alive. Don't know if that's changed or not. Okay, so we've got what I'm gonna move. I really hope Brown doesn't kill me right now. Gosh, I can't do it from that close. Oh, I don't. Was that Brown just faking a task? Oh, I'm dead. I'm so dead. Maybe not. Oh, White's here. The White was being super duper sus. I'm just gonna finish this task and go. Every time the lights go out, I die. I hate when the lights go out because I die immediately. I'm gonna go back in here. If White's dead, then it's Brown. If Brown's dead, then it's White. That scared me. Why is no one going to lights? Yellow's just standing there. Okay. So now we've got to go do... This is my last task and then we're done. Okay. I've actually never done this task before. Don't know. Oh. Awesome. We are done task, guys. So I'm just going to walk around and use my detective skills. Yeah. I'm gonna follow Brown because I trust him. But is that a task? I'm gonna wait till the task bar goes up. Are you doing task? Are you faking it, Brown? Are you faking your tasks, muchacho? Oh wow, isn't that ironic? What's wrong? Okay, so White called the emergency meeting. Oh, he just asked if Yellow vented. Guys. Oh, yellow. Is this true? Yeah, if it's not yellow, vote white. Oh, she's sad. I reckon she's the imposter. If it's not yellow, then white. Kitty Girl was voted off. It's white. It's white. Oh, there's two imposters. I forgot about that. It's white. I'm gonna call an emergency. I gotta call an emergency meeting. Where's the emergency meeting button? Shouldn't it be in here? Y'all, it's white. Go do your task. We can win during doing tasks. Oh, is Brown doing it? Is that an emergency meeting? Oh, okay. Well, I don't know. Don't lock me in here with Brown, please. So I'm just gonna pause and then come back to y'all when done. So guys, we won. So those are all the survivors. That's fun. Yeah. So it was yellow, I think, and someone else. I'm not sure, but I will get back to y'all when we are in another round. Okay, guys, so we are imposter. Let's go. So I am just gonna go and pretend that I'm doing tasks. So I reckon I'll go over the reactor and I'll beep boop bop this. Okay, so I can kill people now. My cooldown has gone. So we just did that task. Oh, I see white. Is there anyone else here? Oh, brown's here. And blue. We gotta corner someone. Right. So I reckon we're gonna go down here and see if there's anyone down here. Oh, red's here. Is anyone in here? No. I'm gonna go kill red, guys, unless someone's with them. Right. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Is there anyone here? Killed. Eek! Run, run, run. Okay, 15 seconds. Okay, we're just gonna do this task. Okay, we did that task. Oh, this is stressful, bro. All green's there. Oh, dead body. Oh, was that my dead body that I killed? Oh, I was the only one that killed. Oh, this is creepy. Oh, he just voted. Who are you voting for? I'm just gonna say skip. We don't have enough. Okay, so skip. I swear if they vote white, because he's my teammate. White is my teammate. They voted me! Dude, I was not sus. Are you joking? I'm so mad. We are gonna go play a different game, but it's gonna be related to Among Us. Okay guys, so we are actually playing Amongst Us. I'm not sure what that is, but the game starts in 15 seconds. So yeah. Can you like customize? Oh wait, you can press use. Oh, okay. I'm imposter. Let's go, baby. I'm the only imposter. Oh my god, this is like basically, this is so cool. I am literally loving this. This is a really good game, guys. It's pretty accurate. Can I, like, sit in this chair? No. Can I jump? No. That's cool, though. Oh, black. Oh, I was gonna kill him, but then it's all brown. Can I vent? Oh, you can vent. That is wicked, bro. Wait, I'm gonna vent. Vent. Oh my god, wait, that's so cool. Okay. Wait, ugh, but then when you vent... Okay, I'm gonna go kill someone now. I am literally the only imposter. Should I kill green? No, is there other people? I'm gonna go kill green, and then... Wait, green. Now I'm gonna go for orange. God, this is freaking scary. Killed. Shit. I'm just gonna say green. It was green. I saw green. Are you joking me? Green lit killed in front of me. He literally killed in front of me. He self-reported. I swear. It's green. It's green. He killed in front of me. Yes! Fucking haha. Oh my god, but damn it, I'm out. Frick, I'm gonna sabotage. Sabotage? No, I can't sabotage anything yet. Far out. Three, 2, 1. Ha! Can't do that now, can you, buster? Damn it. Whatever. It's not me, but whatever. Okay. Sure, let me off if you want. Damn it, they voted me! Well, that's okay then, I guess. Crewmates win. Anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you guys have a good day. Yeah, subscribe if you want to, like the video as well if you want to. Just gonna GG them. And yeah. Bye.